wants to go to UNM. He's been at UNM before.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. We will certainly take you to UNM. The only thing that lately, it's been a long wait.
He's been there before. It has not been a long wait when he threatens violence. He feels he's going to hurt us.
Right.
And he's resisting.
So can I talk to him? I
Sure.
wanna hear
He was asking, but
Right.
okay.
But I'd rather just talk to him
You
personally.
get him to talk. Come on. Can you come in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's.
Come on in.
Yeah, you guys look
In the
identical.
past, he's come with us to UNM. He's
Hi.
afraid to do that now.
I'm Officer Alicio. You can call me Ashlyn.
I'll be taking someone where I can move around a little bit.
So where is it that you would like to be taken? Because it's
Just
your
UNM
choice.
Hospital.
You want to go to UNM? Yeah, that's perfectly fine. So the only issue is with that is they're taking forever sometimes there. So I just don't know how long it would be there. But we can try it out. And if you feel like it's going to take too long, we can try a different hospital.
He's been there admitted twice before to that. And we had a horrible experience at Case.
Okay,
He
so
was
then
at Caseman
if you don't like
before.
Caseman, we won't go
And
there.
they
That's
just-
perfectly
yeah.
fine.
Then please take me.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
turn around real quick from here. I just gotta check you for weapons, okay?
Dad, I love you and Mom. Yeah, we love you, Max. We're going to come down there.
I'm
We'll
right
be
under
there
a
in
tree.
just a few minutes.
All right. You do know why we have to do this, right?
No.
Okay.
Well, explain
Because
it
in
to
order
me.
to
No,
go
please, I
into,
don't want to do handcuffs, actually.
in
Well,
order
hold
to
on,
go
look
into a,
at this.
Please stop.
hang on.
Please stop.
It's already locked. It's already locked. What do you want me
No,
to do?
this is not fair.
Okay. You do understand that
Never
you're not
said-
under arrest?
Were you just taking me there?
We're just
No.
taking you to UNM.
Okay, how long will I have to wait in the car?
In the car, it could be half an hour.
Let's go ahead,
Hey,
Max.
Max, hang on.
Sorry, I did
Max,
this. No,
Max.
because this is bad now.
Max,
So do you want to talk to him
Max.
or do you want me to?
all right.
Because I have this hand, so
Yeah,
let's go
I didn't
ahead.
do
Max,
anything wrong.
Max. No, okay. Do you know that you're not under arrest?
I know, why do I need these handcuffs on me?
Because to go into our cars, you have to be in handcuffs.
It's an APD
Okay, but I didn't
rule,
do
not
anything.
one of us, okay? It's just a rule that we have to oblige by. So it doesn't mean that you're in trouble, but we can get in trouble with APD.
Okay,
if
let
we
me ask you
don't.
this.
Can
Let me
you
ask you
put
this.
it-
All right, fine.
If you don't want to go with us, why don't you go with your parents?
Let's go with my parents.
Okay. You know what? If you want to go with your parents, that's fine.
Let's not go.
But the thing is, to go with us, you're not in trouble, you're not under arrest, you're not even detained. Okay? It's just that in order to go in the back of our cars, you have to be in handcuffs.
And that's just
Okay?
like
This,
okay?
let him go. Let him go.
Let me just think for a second.
Yeah. Okay, that's up to you. If you want to go with your parents and we will follow your parents, that's fine too.
Because if one's cuff already on and I have one hand that can swing
No,
in the
yeah,
air, then you
I know,
both
and that's
cuff
why
on or
I
off.
didn't want that. I didn't want that. That's why I was.
As much as it's already happened.
And it is a 39. It's not a 43-1. So for
Oh,
a
it's not
39,
it's not a 40.
I don't know that we can do that.
I'm not going to force anything. If he doesn't want to go, then he doesn't want to
It's
go.
just a 39. If it was a 43-1, maybe.
No, that's perfectly fine. If he feels more comfortable going with you guys,
And no,
awesome.
but he won't answer me. In the past, that's what he's done. He's held
Oh,
it together
okay.
for us to drive him down.
Max, right? Does it go by Max? Maxwell what?
Max.
Max. The reason we emphasize this is because rules have changed in the last 30 days for UNM, okay? And the rules for you, hang on. And the rules for UNM now are that now they take half the patients. Instead of in the past, they used to take 12 or 16, now they only take 6, okay? So the wait could be half an hour, an hour. It could, I mean, you could be in our vehicle for an hour, okay? And that's why we have to tell you, because if we don't tell you, we don't want you to be upset in the back of our car, you know, half an hour from now going like, what the hell am I doing here? Okay, when we get there, if you want the handcuffs in the front, you can have them in the front. It's just that these are rules.
Would you like to try going with your parents instead?
No, I don't want to go with my parents.
So if you...
Put the handcuffs in front of me.
Mhm.
In front like this.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
We
That's
can do
perfectly
that.
fine with me. It's just like I said, it's just a rule. We can get in trouble with our job if we don't do it. That's all it is.
Max, make sure you haven't got anything on you. No well, maybe a wallet, but nothing else. Have you got anything on you?
So what's bothering you the most right now? So I can figure out how.
I'll just think for a minute.
Yeah.
When you guys have a chance, could you guys tell your security to calm down? I mean, they wouldn't let us in. They're like, "Ah, where are you going?" They yell at us. Like, what? You think we come here for what? For fun or for the scenery or what? What? So when you have a chance.
So when he's being pretty nice, I'm not gonna spend.
Okay,
When
what
he's
I'll
down
do.
here, so-
Okay, what I'll do is I'll take him. Okay.
No, it's perfectly
He
fine.
seems okay with me, so I'll take him. All right. Because I don't want him getting all,
Yes,
hyped
Max,
up with you.
in the front. Do you want me to ride down with you?
No, definitely not.
All right, so go put them on and go. And Dad and I'll meet you there.
What are we doing?
You're gonna handcuff him in the front. You take him, and we'll meet you at UNM.
Can I just have that water, Mom?
Yes. You can have a water, right?
Of course.
Can I have the water in the car with me with the handcuffs?
As long as you don't make a mess.
I won't make a mess.
All right. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead, drink as much as you want. Man. Just go, Max. Remember, you could be in the car for a while, so I don't want you saying, "Oh, well, I want to go pee."
You can bring it with you, man.
Yeah, you can bring it with you, but just don't drink a lot because you could be there a while.
There's an awful lot of water.
Yeah.
Part
Well,
of the disease process. What brand of shoes are those?
it's different. These are Bates. They're
11s.
yeah.
They call them 511s?
These ones are. There's some Reebok ones that have insoles on them.
Yeah.
It's just I've been in too many uses of force. I'm not gonna have.
I know.
use
And
the
we're
size
not
difference.
we're not going there. We're not going there.
Well, I know,
This
but
is
we
just
have him wandering around, and I haven't patted him down or haven't anything, so I don't feel comfortable.
and that's fine, I'll do it. I don't know if he's got the same
Back?
I'm sorry?
Are you allowed to come in the back here?
Yeah. Yeah, we're allowed.
Maybe he...
Because now he's
back.
going inside. So
Well-
what's going on here?
Okay. See, here's the thing. We don't want to seem like we're pushing ourselves or forcing on. This is all willing.
Yeah,
Okay, this is all
the security is just sitting there like,
I know.
what are they called? Rubberneck?
I know. See, that's what I'm telling. When you have a chance, could you just tell them to chill out?
But I don't
What
know
are
if
they thinking that we're gonna break into somebody's
She's
house?
letting the dogs out though anyway though, so now this is what's gonna happen in front here,
Yeah.
in front of them.
Yeah, I know. I'll make sure to pat him down. Hey, sir.
Yeah.
Please tell your son not to go inside the house and not to carry anything, because that makes us very nervous.
Sure. So you certainly can have, but I don't think he has any, but we'll check.
Have you got anything?
I just have.
You got anything on you?
No, but I have my cell phone in my wallet.
You guys,
Here, I'll get it.
I love you guys.
You got it?
We love you.
Love you and I'll
Yes, I got
you got your cell phone in your wallet?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. All right. Put it. All right. No, I'm not pressing you. I am not pressing you. Do you want to walk to the car like that? Just like that, and we'll put him on just before we get to the car?
Come here. Abby. Come on, Abby.
Max,
Let's do the handcuffs.
Max,
Okay.
in the past,
So he wants to do the
hang on. In the past, when you've been taken to a hospital with us,
No,
you've been in
just
handcuffs,
APD.
right?
Never by APD.
Oh, never by a Oh, well, I'm sorry, man. I thought you knew.
So he's
We got
ready
it.
for
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And now he's not.
Right.
All right, come on, you need the wallet. Is it on your desk? I'll get
Or
it.
would you like to get in the car and I take you there, Max?
Let's just stay here.
No.
No, let's stay.
Max,
No.
Max,
We cannot.
Max, let's make a decision, okay?
No,
Am I going with
stay
us?
here now.
You-
I'm not going to be violent, I promise.
Well, that's going to be up to your parents if they want to let you in.
Max, I think you should go. you there. We'll meet you there.
They've been nothing but nice to keep you safe.
And you'll have your phone. You can always call them up and ask them where they are. Are they in the front? Are they in the back? Where are they at? You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be good.
Hang
Just
on.
to drive there?
Just to drive there, yeah.
Can I have them on in the front, like this?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
Okay,
why we're
great.
putting them.
yeah,
this
that's
way.
why we're
Yeah, that's fine.
that's why we're doing this way.
If it
Are
feels
you
more
good?
comfortable that way, yeah.
Are you good? All right. We're gonna go to that white SUV right there. This one, over here.
Okay.
Are you good? Maxwell? Is something bothering you?
Where you going?
Max.
Actually, I don't want to go there.
Max. Okay, let me take off the handcuffs.
Okay. Thank you.
I think you should go, Max. We're only going to end up calling them later.
Yeah. Max, come on. I'll ride with you. And you got the handcuffs
just
on
going
so
to the
you're
next-
safe. Mom will follow in the car. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Is that allowed? Come on, Max.
She's gonna
I'll
be
go
right
with
in the
you.
back.
We'll ride
Right
in the
behind.
back.
Right
And she'll
behind.
come right behind. Come on. I'll
Are you
ride
good?
with you.
No, I'm not driving.
What happens if I get violent there
Where?
at the mental hospital?
Well, they have their own security.
Are they going to hurt me?
No,
you've
they're
been
not there
there.
to hurt you.
No, they helped you, Max.
They're not there to hurt you. Max, don't take them. Don't take my handcuffs. Don't take my
Will you
handcuffs.
take my handcuffs off, please?
But we're going to
No,
have
you're
to
going
go.
in the car.
We have to go. We're not going to stay here.
Come on, I'm going to go with you in the
How about
car.
we all just stop talking and get him, because I think it's a lot of us at
Yeah,
once.
let's go ahead.
Yes,
Let's go ahead and go.
So
Let's
let's
go
all
ahead.
have some time.
Let's go ahead.
She said give me some time to contemplate
We're
this.
all
All right.
here, and I think
All right.
it's a little overwhelming for him.
All right, it's just that we've been doing this for 3 days.
Right. And do you understand that since he's an adult, I can't force him?
I understand that,
Yeah.
but if he threatens violence and he begs to go there, in the past, and they admitted him right away, and he also
Right.
cut himself once,
Right.
and was admitted, and he.
I just
Right.
didn't want. 'Cause he
No,
didn't
I'll
want
leave it
him-
to you, but he can't stay here either.
Well, then
And I
you
realize
tell
I
him
can't force him.
No, actually, yes, you can. It's your house.
Oh, well, I'm not.
You're gonna, if you don't want him to stay
No,
here, you
no.
can force him not
I
to
will
stay here.
not do that to him.
Okay, but you want us to force him?
No, I don't know what to do. I guess I wanted, maybe an EMS could give him a shot. In the past, when we took him to UNM, right away they took him in and gave him medication that helped, agitate. He hasn't taken his medicines since Friday.
Right.
When he's on his medicines, he's calm, and he's doing pretty good.
Yeah, that's good, because since we don't have the ability, maybe they can.
There's an EMT, or are you CIT?
Teams are tied up right now. You'll have to check with BC.
And that's why
I don't know exactly what that is, but
It
It's an
means,
advanced version of CIT.
yeah.
okay, because the psychiatrist recommended.
Right.
You.
And
He wouldn't talk to the psychiatrist.
I personally.
I'm sorry.
Down 45 feet. Are you sure you can give us a call to the 20?
Please.
Reference,
Come in.
Nursery, 43
No, back here, I think.
Edward 431, we need 82.
Wanda,
Any pickups start up?
in the house. Come.
MCD2, go ahead and code for me from this call and I'll head that way. Is there any unit that can clear up to 82, Edward 431? MCT2, code for me from this call and I'll go that way.
We're here?
Yeah.
Just go ahead and make your code, please.
Max,
Oh,
That's where I need another unit to clear. Adam 434, I'm going to preempt you if you can start up.
Max. No. Let him open it. Did you see anything?
Yeah, he has a knife in his hand and he's jabbing at his neck.
Okay. No.
I'm going to suffer a lot if I don't kill myself. Will you please
Okay.
kill me, sir? Kill me.
Did you really? Did you really?
Okay.
Oh, why did you do that?
Shots fired. Right here, back here.
Excuse me.
Where?
Ma'am,
Unit 3.
right here.
Everyone back out, please. Back out. Back up, please.
No, this is my son.
Just go ahead and
Go to heading down 4355 started. Reference 1 male, approximately 26 years of age, unconscious, unknown of breathing.
Yeah.
Take a step back.
10-4. Out.